It was crackers then. Now it is the bomb. That is the difference.
Hey! Don't run! My box! Catch him!
Keep the sins always away, not the sinister. Before you even realize, the sins will vanish your life. One who is forced to commit the sin, even if he is not willing to commit it, why would he do it? What will be his cause? Here the sin is thrown by me, but the punishment will be for you. This is how the world works, Abraham. I have the whole night to commit the remaining sin, and I will complete it. I know you are very good at mesmerizing your corporate clients. I want to see it. There, you see that? Lady in black sari. Go and bring her.
What do you mean? That lady?
I want to see how you negotiate. It's an order. Before the crowd gathers, go and bring her along. If you don't go, she will go. You want to see that?
Hey, is there any discount?
Ha! Get lost. Go and ask your mother. These rascals come and irritate me every night and say no money. Am I running a cloth shop to offer you discount?
Hello.
Huh? Oh my god, what am I seeing? I thought you came here to breathe some fresh air.
Will you come with me? I'll give you 1,000.
Oh my goodness, what am I listening? Sir, are you fixing a rate for me? It's a shame thing. What if somebody listens to this?
No, I will.
What is this? Whenever I see you, you're occupied. What happened to your mobile phone?
Let me live my life, Francis.
I guess your range has been changed now, huh? You have built some good client base now, huh?
Let me earn when there is some market, Francis.
Make it quick. There are some vacant rooms in Metro Hotel.
How can I come now? You go. I'll settle him, then I'll come there by Raju's auto.
What nonsense are you talking? For years' sake, I've bought a Raja whiskey and biryani.
What shall I do for that? Sir, can you wait for 5 minutes? I'll finish his dealings and come soon. One more thing. Some people may try to cheat you. Don't go with them. They are dangerous. AIDS.
I can't wait. I'll give you 1,500.
What kind of idiot man are you? Haven't you seen women in your life? Go find someone else, man.
I can't.
You... If you're willing, you give me just 750 rupees. I'll only come with you. Huh? What do you think? Huh? You have a very good personality. Why don't you look for someone better? Why are you here spoiling my works?
Listen, Francis. You go and watch a movie at home. I'll go with him, finish his deal and come back. After so many months, I've got this nice business. Don't create problem. Go.
Definitely you're going to repent for it. Him and his 1,500 bucks, he has come to spy me.
Can we go by auto and not your car? I'll arrange for it.
No.
What is this, sir? How many girls do you want? Huh?
She's my wife.
These days people behave in a strange way. Last month there was a dealing like this. A wife and her husband and his friend. They gave me 2,000 rupees. He must be your friend.
Sister,
Huh?
there was a little bet between me and my friend.
Huh.
I said you'll come if he calls you, but he said he won't come. But he lost the bet.
Oh. What do you think? Am I a joker in your card game? I could have gone out with Francis.
Take this.
No, sir. I have not done anything. I don't want this.
This is not a fee. This is for pleasure.
Will you show your pleasure like this? But some people are. Shall I go, sir? See you.
Why did you play this cheap game?
Have I ever given you straight answers for your questions? You should have understood by this time. Can you predict anything? Where we are going? Any wild guesses?
I want to see my daughter. Where is my daughter?
At least I need to listen to her voice. We'll do everything what you say. Please believe us.
When selfishness and greediness are the main motto of a human being, why Parvati? Where we get a conclusion for all of our problems.
Huh?
Parvati will stay here only. You just get down, Ravi. The person who you are supposed to meet, your boss, is inside there. Take this. Let's clear all your problems today. If you decide, the story will finish here. Finish him.
What are you saying? Me? To kill?
You would be scared to kill, but not me. Ammu and Parvati just started to live their life, isn't it?
Hey, no.
You want to kill me? If there is going to be a change in Ammu's position, you definitely are going to need me. Beatrice is not the only one who is with me. I don't think you have understood that.
You're having a family. Your mom, dad, and sister. And why are you doing this?
When I compare them to my goals, they're absolutely nothing to me.